Do you want to know how you can turn off the notifications which you receive from Frollo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn off the notifications which you receive from Frollo. Go ahead and install Frollo if you don't have it yet from the Play Store. Then go ahead and sign up and log into your Frollo account and open Frollo. What you need to do now is write down the passcode which you have entered. Then go to the settings which you see on the top right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And you can see under the app settings there is notifications. Tap on it and it will take you to this system notification bar. Go ahead and click on allow notifications if you want to allow notifications. But if you want to turn it off, you can just click on this simple button over here and all of the app notifications from Frollo will be turned off. If you want to allow sound and vibration, you can tap on it or you can keep it on silent. And there are also options like you can allow notifications on your lock screen, your badge and pop-up. If you want to disable it, you can click on them as well. So guys, this is how you turn on or off the notifications which you receive from Frollo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.